Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Today is your revision class lecture of class 4, and this is your geo book of class 4, and I am your geo teacher from PMGHS-II. Okay, dear student, as you know that this is your revision class lecture. So in this lecture, we have to learn the topics that are included in your annual exams. So the first topic, that is Galiat. It is on page 49. You have to open your book and come to page 49 and revise this topic like Gilead is a group of beautiful hilly towns and villages. You have to learn these specific lines that we have underlined. Okay, so the underlined lines you have to learn. You have to focus on these lines. Number first line is Gilead is a group of beautiful hilly towns and villages, and where it is located, you all know that it is located in our province, that is KPK, right? Okay, the next line is there are two ways. How many ways? There are two ways to reach Gilead, one from Murray side and the other from Ahmedabad. So if you want to visit Gilead, so you have two ways to reach Gilead. One is from Murray side and the other from Ahmedabad. So in this short topic, Gilead topic, you have to learn just 3 lines. You have to focus on these 3 lines. Okay? Okay, Gilead is a group of beautiful hilly towns and villages, and where it is located? It is located in KPK. And how many ways to reach Gilead? You have 2 ways to reach Gilead, one from Murray side and the other from Ahmedabad. The next topic is Nathia Gali. In this topic, Nathia Gali, on page 49, you have just one line to learn, that is hotels are easily available at low price in Nathia Gali. So you all know that hotels are easily available at low price in which city or in which village? In Nathia Gali. Okay, the next page is page 50, and you have here just 2 lines to learn. You have to learn this line like famous places in Nathia Gali are Green Spot and Old Wooden Church. You have to learn this line that famous places in Nathia Gali are which one? Green Spot and Old Wooden Church. And the next is Mokshipuri Top. Mokshipuri Top is in Nathia Gali. You all know that Mokshipuri Top is in Nathia Gali, right? On in this page, you have just 2 lines to learn, that the famous places in Nathia Gali are Green Spot and Old Wooden Church, and Mokshipuri Top is in Nathia Gali. Now come to the page 52. Okay, on page 52, you have a topic Donga Gali. In this topic, you have 3 lines or 3 specific lines to learn. Number first is from Donga Gali, one can also hike to Ayubia through a 4-kilometer forest trek, also known as pipeline. That forest is called pipeline, and if you want to visit that forest, you have to cover 4-kilometer or 4-kilometer way to reach that forest, and the name of that forest is pipeline. Okay, so this line you have to learn like from Donga Gali, right? From Donga Gali, one can also hike to Ayubia through a 4-kilometer forest trek, also known as pipeline. The next line is Donga Gali has a museum of wildlife department. So your answer will be like, where is wildlife department is located? So you have to write like Donga Gali has a museum of wildlife department where you can have a look at stuffed animals. You have to learn this line like Donga Gali has a museum of wildlife department where you can have a look at stuffed animals. Clear? Okay. In this page or the bottom of this page, you have two definitions. One is forest and the second is hiking. So you have to learn these definitions also, okay? So the definition of forest is a large area of land that is thickly covered with trees, right? And what is hiking? Long walks in a forest, mountains, or villages, exploring the area on foot. Okay, the next topic is on page 53. You have a topic that is Ayubia. You all know Ayubia very well. Ayubia is famous for its chairlift, and the place was famous when first chairlift of Pakistan was installed there. You all know, students, that Ayubia is famous for its chairlift, and the place was first famous when first chairlift of Pakistan was installed there. It's a very easy topic. You have to learn just two lines that Ayubia is famous for its chairlift and the place was famous for when first chairlift of Pakistan was installed. Okay, the next topic is on page 55. You don't have to learn page 54, the topic Hanspur, okay? You have to learn page 55 and the topic is Thandiani. So it takes around 2 hours to reach Thandiani from Nathia Gali and 1 hour from Aptabad. In this topic, you have just one line to learn. That is, it takes around 2 hours to reach Thandiani from Nathia Gali. If you want to visit Thandiani from Nathia Gali, you have to cover 2 hours, right? And if you want to go Thandiani from Aptabad, you have to cover 1 hour way, right? It's also very easy topic. You have to learn just one line that it takes around 2 hours to reach Thandiani from Nathia Gali. It means that if you want to visit Thandiani from Nathia Gali, you have to cover 2 hours, and if you want to visit Thandiani from Aptabad, you have to cover 1 hour. Okay, the next topic is on page 56. That is Mari. It's also very famous place. You all know that. Okay, in this topic we have three lines to learn. Number first is on second line. That is Mall Road is the center of attraction. So where Mall Road is located? You have a question like that. That Mall Road is located situated in Mari, right? And it is the center of attraction. Number second line you have to learn is बिल्कुल लास्ट लाइन है आपके पास. वी शुड प्रमोट इको टूरिज्म एंड यूज डस्टबिन टू थ्रो गार्बेज और रबिश. वी शुड प्रमोट इको टूरिज्म. What we should promote? We should promote ecotourism and use dustbin to throw garbage or rubbish, right? Again, on the bottom of this page, you have a definition of ecotourism. Ecotourism is environmentally or socially responsible tourism. It means that whenever you travel, you should not damage your environment like throwing your wastage there, right? So, students, these are the topics you have to learn for final term exams. Other topics are also will be revised. Okay, so this is your lecture, so you have to learn these topics. Hope you all well. Okay, fine, goodbye.